together until you reach the desired effect.
Hey, so it looked like you just caught me studying. Yes, y'all know I'm a licensed cosmetologist, and I also already completed a certification. So what am I doing here? Well, you know what? It's always good to brush up on your skills. Sometimes we get complacent and we are used to just doing whatever we do. Honestly, I haven't been doing my makeup consistently like how I used to, and I've just started thinking about getting back into doing my makeup again. So this course has came at perfect timing because I need to brushing up on my skills. Being licensed or not, if you're not doing, you know what they say, if you don't use it, you lose it. So yeah, as you see, I have started some of my tasks and everything. I work from home, so like a lot of the informational side of the course, like when they're talking and going over, you know, different just standard information like sanitary and all of that stuff, I listen while I work, which is very easy. You can do this anywhere, it doesn't even matter. And it is, you do have to pay for it, but they do have a firm. If you're approved, you'll pay monthly on that, and you can purchase a kit as well. So get your hands on that. I have a decent amount of things that, you know, I use as of right now, so that's why I didn't purchase me a kit. But I really like this compared to beauty school, because honestly, beauty school was like 1 week of makeup, probably 2 days out of that week. It was a hit or miss. And then because of the school I went to, we used their brand products, and as somebody who was going in already a certified makeup artist, it was not, you know, and I felt like I needed to improve my skills. So I was so excited, you know, going into beauty school, thinking that I was going to learn any and everything. This is the closest, I'm telling you, this is the best. And I'm saying that like from honest opinion, because I went to beauty school and I've done an online makeup course as well. This one is more in depth. The first online course I did with another company, it was very, it gave, you know, like how like you work out these days, right? It was like Turbo, is that the workout man? Like that type of feel. Was like a very nostalgic kind of, you know. They had these thick cases that came in like DVDs and all that, so that kind of tell you how that was going, because it was on the DVD. So yeah, that's why it kind of felt more nostalgic. And they do have you can sign in, I believe it's like every first Wednesday of the month for Zoom. So yeah, they also have individual mentorship, so you can work one-on-one with a mentor. If you feel like you're really struggling, reach out to your mentor, ask them questions and all of that, because again, I'm brushing up on my skills. This is very informative. I do like how they talk through everything. They take their time, they don't rush. You can always go through and rewatch something if it's confusing. I love that too. Everything is so easy. It's step by step. It's thought out. It's very organized. The flow is really good for me to follow, because as someone who needs to concentrate or who has a concentration problem, that's big for me. And I like the website. It's very straight to the point. Everything is straight to the point. Honestly, my honest review on this course, because my other course that I did is over 10 years ago. Over 10 years ago I did that course. It was online as well, and it was completely like, it's like night and day, you know. This one, hands down, I love this course. They have lessons. They have live models, or well, yeah, that they work on, but we're watching it. It's not live while we're watching it, but you get what I'm saying, like you can actually see, which is amazing, because when you like in beauty school and you watching someone perform, you know, a demo on someone, usually the instructor be all in the way and you be trying to move and all that, but you don't want to get in your classmates' way and all that just because you love to learn. That's me. So with this, you can see what they're doing, and not only can you see, but if you missed something or if you didn't understand it, you can go back and watch it again. You can drag that little bar. You ain't got to start the whole video over. You could just drag the bar and just watch it again. I love that, because if it's live, I can't rewind them. You know, they can talk over it, but to see exactly what it was that I was looking for, you can rewind it. I love that. And once you complete the online course for the class, you do get a certification. So you would be a certified makeup artist, which you can do makeup without being a licensed cosmetologist. That certification will show professionalism and that you do take your art to a next level, because that's not only telling people that you are investing in your skill, but it is also telling people that you care about sanitation, because one thing they're gonna do is take you through sanitation as well. Because I've worked in the industry and I've seen some very unsanitary things, and they definitely cover everything. So yes, when it comes to sanitation, okay? Something else that's very interesting, not only can you do this like all over the world, it don't matter where you at, you have access to it, but there's no minimum age requirement. So for all you cute girlies that's in, you know, high school and stuff, like I know some like 16, 17 year olds that can, you know, get a face good together. Like, hey, why not start now? Because back in my day, I was hustling. I was getting to the money any way that I could. And like, why not do makeup in high school and stuff? Because you know how much money you're gonna be getting for proms and homecomings and stuff. And yeah, you'll be working a lot though if you're going too, and you gotta get ready too. So, but that was just a thought. You also get pro card benefits up to 40% off of all major brands. Like, what? 40% off all? Bro, when you go to Sephora, buying 3 things is easily $400, $300 something dollars. Okay, so that right there, that is crazy. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so if you ain't gonna do it, you know, I got some work to get back to, you know what I'm saying, because I'm gonna do it. But this, hands down, I went to beauty school, okay, and I already did an online course in makeup, and this right here, I love it, because I was getting a little rusty and I was getting sad because I was like, I need to learn, and I did not want to be watching YouTube videos. No shame, no offense, but it is very different from, you know, actually getting that actual, you know, the actual training on it. I don't want to, yeah. So the link will be in the description box below, and so with the discount code. So go ahead and apply and all of that and get going. We just started this year. Like, let's start the year off right. Let's get a new skill, sharpen a skill, all of that. All right, hey, I got some work to do.